Good morning, students. Hello. How are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and enjoying your holidays as well as your studies. And me, Disha Tripathi, your English teacher, again in front of you with a new topic of your book. This is from a writing section of your English grammar book. And the topic that we conclude today is essay writing. So first of all, we discuss about what is an essay. As we know, we discussed this topic in your earlier classes also, but this time again we discuss this thing in a very brief. So what is an essay? An essay is an interesting piece of a writing on a certain topic. What is an essay? किसी भी एक टॉपिक के ऊपर हमें सोच करके जो कुछ लिखना होता है, comprising of a number of well written and well arranged paragraph. और ऐसे में क्या होना चाहिए? ऐसे इसमें क्या क्या होना चाहिए? well arranged paragraphs होने चाहिए, एक से ज़्यादा paragraphs होने चाहिए, and they should be in a well arranged manner on a given subject. Now another definition we will discuss here, that is essay is a written composition that presents the writer's opinion, gives information on any subject or details of a narrative or a description. So essay is a written composition होती है that presents the writer's opinion, जो हमें राइटर के ओपिनियन के बारे में बताती है, gives information on any subject, एक किसी भी सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर, एक किसी भी टॉपिक के ऊपर हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाती है राइटर के द्वारा ऐसे की हेल्प से, और डिटेल्स ऑफ अ नरेटिव और डिस्क्रिप्शन, और डिटेल्स दी जाती है. Now we will discuss about the parts of essay. An essay can be mainly divided into three parts. An essay can be divided into three parts. First one is introduction, second body, and third one is a conclusion. So first of all we will discuss about the first part of the body, that is introduction. So introduction, it introduces the readers to the theme or topic of the essay. In this part, the writer or the essay writer discuss about the theme of the topic. Here in this part, he discuss about the theme of the topic. And the next part is the body. So body comprises this part. The main part of the essay comprises of several paragraphs which explain the theme or the subject matter of an essay. So this part of the essay, that is body, comprises of several paragraphs. इस पार्ट में कई सारे पैराग्राफ सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड डिस्कस किए जाते हैं राइटर के द्वारा. एंड द लास्ट पार्ट इज द कंक्लूजन. इट इज द क्लोजिंग पार्ट ऑफ एन essay. Concluding part is the closing part of an essay, and it must be convincing, precise and brief. And this part should be brief, precise, छोटा होना चाहिए, convincing. In this part we convince the readers on your several theme, on your several topic. So it should be convincing, precise and brief. These three are the part of an essay. Now we discuss about the techniques of writing an analytical essay. How we write an analytical essay. So here we discuss about some techniques. So first of all, introduce the main idea of an analytical essay. First of all, you should introduce the main idea in the introduction. Introduction में आपको जो भी आपका essay है, जिस भी theme पर आप essay लिख रहे हैं, उसका आपको main idea आपको introduce करना है. Second, expand the idea by adding information and including examples in successive paragraphs. उसके बाद में हमें अपने idea को elaborate करते हुए several paragraphs की help से उस essay को आगे बढ़ाना है. Discussion can be centered around, discussion वही centralized होना चाहिए. Second one is the narrative essay. How we some techniques to write a narrative essay. Narrative essay event should be organized in a chronological manner, with the first event explained at the beginning and gradually moving step by step towards the conclusion. So here three types of. First one is analytical essay, second narrative essay, and third one is argumentative essay. So second one is the narrative essay. Here in this essay we organized all the events in a chronological manner. Third one is argumentative essay. Here, unlike other types of essay, In an argumentative essay, the writer needs to take sides either against or on the topic. आर्ग्यूमेंटिव ऐसे में राइटर को या तो टॉपिक के अगेंस्ट या टॉपिक के फेवर में आर्ग्यूमेंट करने होते हैं. फैक्ट्स और एग्जाम्पल्स एंड रिलेटेड इंसिडेंट्स मस्ट बी प्रेजेंट इन एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर. जो भी फैक्ट्स और जो भी इंसिडेंट है उनको वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर में हमें प्रेजेंट करना होता है. So these are the so in this chapter, first of all we discuss about the definition of an essay, then the body of the essay, then techniques of writing the three types of essay, that is first of all analytical essay, then narrative essay, and last one is the argumentative essay. So these three are the types of essay. And now as you see in your English grammar book given on the page number 187, parents should choose the career path of their children. There is an essay given on page number 187, that is parents should choose the career path of their children, and the other one is a visit to a book fair. These two essays you should do in your copy, in your workbook, in a very neat and clean way, in a well organized way. First of all, you have to write the definition of essay given in your book, and then just write down these two topics. I repeat it once again. First one is parents should choose the career path of their children, given on page number 187, and another one is a visit to a book fair, that is on page number 188. And this is over for today. Thank you everybody. We will meet in your next Zoom meeting. Thank you very much.